good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are. Let me make sure I'm live. Yep, we're good to go. Good to go. All right, let's get out of there. So we have a bias today of being short with the overall weekly goal of going down here, and then also we have a goal of it reaching for this low here. So these are our sell side liquidity areas. Short-term sell-side liquidity will be below yesterday's low. And I think once we break through there, we should see a speedy delivery down to the last week low. So we'll see what happens. So we are bearish today. Thank you. Just pop this over here. All right. Let's see. Let's go 1 minute. Well, we hit that sell side before 9 o'clock. We're at 9:30 open. Hit the sell side. I was looking at. Aim for there. Yesterday looks low. Looks really juicy. Has some three relative equal highs down there. So hopefully we can snag something before it runs it lower. It might run it lower, and I might not get a chance to get anything. Plus we have, yeah, it might run it lower. We'll tag that as sell side. Sell side has been taken out, at least for today. We'll have buy side resting up here. I don't think it's gonna go to that buy side though. I want to aim for these lows here. See if we can get something. It might leave without us. I think we should get a pullback before we go all the way down here. It's a Tuesday, so it's still early in the week for the run of that.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing na 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 every day.
I want to listen to some lo-fi beats. Lo-fi. Alright. There's first presented. Let's see what really quick let's see what the S&P is doing. Oh, S&P took out yesterday's low already. I could take a little sell here. See if it goes up into here and so some rejection. See what it does once it hits that new week opening gap. Still interested in it rotating down to the yesterday's low, but this is quite the rip. Higher. Let's see what it does here. New week opening gap is up here. Think we rotate to a week high? Yeah, not this. See, we got this looks very promising for a rotation. Got some really strong manipulation. And we might rotate back up to the highs. Maybe go up into that new week opening gap. Alright. There is no really any structure around 9 o'clock for me to take anything. But then, at least as far as my trading is concerned, I was able to take. Let's see if we can come back down here, test this, and if we get a little fractal here, I might go long, an aggressive long in there if I get a fractal, but right now it's just ripping higher. Not really giving me a pattern for entry. This is your breaker. It's a breaker right here. Like, in theory, like if this broke above here, come back, we could trade off of that level here, but it never came back, it just ripped. So, can't really do anything. And then also, I hate trying to, like, this, I mean, this here is really nice. You know, the swing, if this was a smaller candle after showing, taking out this, plus we're at the 12.50 level of yesterday, so I measure out yesterday's high and low, and then I get these levels where price usually uses them as reference points from yesterday's range. We took out buy side, or what is this? Yeah, we took out both sessions, buy side and sell side for today. Probably could have taken a trade here, but that's not within my rules or within what I like to see in price. You could probably take since this is such a big bullish movement, and then it just rips right through the new day opening gap. It's pretty good. Let's see if we can get use this to drop it lower down to back down to the 50 or the new day opening gap down here, and then rip higher. I just don't like chasing price like that, trying to like buy it as it keeps going higher and higher. Like to see a little bit of structure. Oh, money. Wait around for the 10:10 macro or 10 o'clock macro and see what it does. The reason why I don't like this trade that much is just because, like, you know how you close below something, and this is, what is this, London Sessions low? I just, yeah, wouldn't feel confident enough to take that trade on an aggressive. I would rather it hit this and then back up and then form structure and then push. Yes. Alright. Looks like we're forming a little fractal here. See if we can go lower if we rip right through it. We're gonna take a see if we get a little push. We're probably gonna run through this. I don't know why I'm buying right now, actually. I'm gonna exit this trade. I don't know why I try to reverse it every time. That's what I was doing yesterday. Or the day before yesterday. I woke up pretty early this morning. Really tired. Wait. See if I can see something clearly. If not, I'll probably call it an early day. My son has been a little sick, so I think we come back down to here, then go higher. Target this new week opening gap up here. is not what I wanted to do. See if we get a close above that. If not, oh yeah. I think we're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah. I'm gonna take an aggressive buy here. My stop loss there. Maybe we could go up into this. See if we can get a push up out of this. Stop to break even. See if we can treat this as inversion, otherwise get stopped out. Alright. Well, that might be done for today. Take one more buy off of this. Yeah, dinosaur. It's looking good. I like that swing low there. If it closes, it's 34 seconds left. The candle. See what it does. This is looking good. I like this little failure swing here. It's looking good. I stop to break even. See if we can't get back up into. Honestly, I think I want to aim for this high here. I stop. Sell up there. gets up there, that'll be good. Good little trade. Let me go grab this baby. Hey. Come here. Come here. Tutor, tutor. There you go. There you go. Alright. There we go. You happy now? Nope. Alright, well. Alright, this is my last one in here. If it goes against me again, then we'll get out and probably call it a day. Tutor. I like how it respected that that fair value gap first presented at the macro of 10 o'clock. Came inversion. I like that. Looks good to me. It's just really slow. It's 10:09. Really need some. If this candle doesn't start pushing through higher, then we probably will get out. There we go. It's a good solid push. See if we can leave this open, so some aggressive buying. See if we can get up in there. Need to break through this 62 level. If we're gonna get, well, if this doesn't break, then I'm gonna probably close the trade. Got 22 seconds left. There we go. I'm actually happy with that. I'll take that. See what my risk to reward was. 1.5, that's not terrible. But alright, well, we made about 35 bucks today. It's not in the red. Had the right idea here. It's just the Nazdaq. That's where I might have to trade the S&P for a little bit. Which honestly, their price action is kind of cleaner, but Nazdaq just doesn't can't keep my risk low on Nazdaq, because if I do an order, for example, let's say we bought one here, it's like 50 bucks, which is not a lot of money, but for a 25k eval account, the risk, it just doesn't, because it just doesn't work, especially since you have a drawdown of 1500. So I think Apex, actually, you have a daily drawdown, but you can go as far low as you want. So we might be able to, I think we can, it's about right to risk 50 bucks. It took a lot of effort for it to get up there. Even through here, it took a lot of effort. So it doesn't look, yeah, this might be a failure swing here. We'll see what happens. I think I'm actually good for the day. I'm in the green. Profit for the day, not a lot, but enough. And then I guess, note to self, I just need to keep my stop loss at us, less, be less aggressive with my stops. Because we got in right here. This is, that right there is a good trade. If we manage the stop loss better. Easily got a 2, yeah, 3. We got a 2 off of that. Alright, well, there is, this was also a good trade. I like these trades. I like this is the same exact trade, it's just a swing low, or a fractal that forms inside of a new day opening gap. Those are nice. We had the one fractal here at this candle. If you map this out, we had the higher, a swing high, and to the both sides of it a swing low, and a lower low, a lower high, and a lower high with a swing high. So that's a fractal. Honestly, this is both these are good trades off of the fractals. Like that. Went back into this first presented fair value gap at 10 o'clock. This is also a fractal in here. Could have taken a trade off that. You just see where we are. This looks bullish. It looks bullish. I'm really tempted on taking another buy here, but It would have been better to get a buy in here off of this candle. Put an order right as that candle closes. Stop loss there. This is also, let's see. See if I can get a 37. I'll buy that, actually. See if we can get back up into this new week opening gap, or new day opening gap. I like $30 risk, that's not bad. And then this will be my last trade. If anything, I'm just risking what I have profit today. Toos. Oh, toos. Let's see how if this candle closes below that with the body, might we could get it out. There we go. I'm gonna break that even. Ooh. Burp. See if we can get a good break above this gap here, this fair value gap, and then treat it as inversion would be the hope. Would be the hope. I like that candle, good strong movement, and let's see if we can get a push through this 62.50 level. And hopefully we leave this open, this candle open. If we leave that open, that'd be also good. Hey, dude. Oh. Oh. Truce. That looks good. See if we can leave this candle open. We have 27 seconds left of this 1 minute candle. That looks good. I like that. I like that. Good rips, good rips, good rips. See if we can get up into that. I think we're gonna go. Actually, I think I'm going to. I'm not gonna be greedy. Not going to be greedy, actually. So what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close out my position there. I'll take that. Alright. This is a good trading day. Yep, I like that trade. Had the 10 o'clock fair value gap, the first presented fair value gap at 10 o'clock.
I hurt my head.
Oh, sorry. Maybe you shouldn't bang it on things.
I didn't bang it.
Oh. Missed a little money there. I could have Shouldn't have waited. This is definitely gonna go up here. I probably could have trailed it, but not gonna be greedy with it. I think we can definitely get up into that level, but that's alright. Need to stay strong mentally, because I'm happy with what I got. Anyways, yeah, it's not bad. We actually took some really good buys today. This was a little sloppy. Need to clean that up. Better stop loss placement, less aggressive stop loss. Watching them, I felt good watching. Hold on. Hey guys, felt good. Watching the markets today, reading price action. Hey, hey guys, go play in the playroom real quick. Data's almost done. All right. All right. Go play in the playroom. Hey, I told you not to play with those. Yeah, put those back. Um, Felt really good about reading price action this morning. I sold here at the high. I just got scared, I guess, of my own strategy. Got scared of my own strategy. And then that was a bad buy. I would say this is the only bad trade right here. That's not good. Anyways, went down to this new day opening gap. Got a fractal point here. It's a fractal. And got a fractal there. Was able to get a buy right here. I just needed to leave my stop alone. I pushed it a little too hard, or didn't push too hard, but I was too aggressive with my stop. Needed to let it breathe a little bit. Anyways, we went ahead and we saw it close above this. So we got 2 times we took a trade off of this inverted fair value gap at the 10 o'clock macro. So we got one here as this made us a fractal inside this fair value gap inversion. Took one trade in there and then took it off there at this order block here. Took the profit there. Or this is the mitigation block. This is the order. I guess it's in the order block. Order blocks here. So took that off. It came down, back down into this 10 o'clock fair value gap. Formed the fractal here at this red candle. And then we were watching this candle. If it was to close below, bodies to close below this, I was going to be out. But body went back down, probably sweeping, disconnected for a second. Anyways, we were going over the trade of what happened here. That's not good. Anyways, I was going over my trade. But yeah, I don't know how much of it was on before it got me out. But anyways, good day today. Why is this doing this? Did I win too much or something? And now it's like what? Alright. Probably gonna go up to where I was planning on it, the new week opening gap. But yeah, otherwise, good day today. Happy day. Alright, so we made a total of, let's see where we're at here. Oh. This is an Apex funding count. Just forget to check in here. Sorry for the background noise. Failed to fetch. Well, anyways, it was a good day. All right, I'll catch you guys later, and have a good trading rest of your day.